Hi, VencoreWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Tuesday, April 21st. Well, we've been talking about a colder than normal weather pattern setting up for the eastern states for quite a while now, and it all begins on Wednesday with the passage of yet another strong cold frontal system. That front will produce some showers in the area tomorrow afternoon, and as well as perhaps some gusty thunderstorms. Colder air pushes into the I-95 corridor region tomorrow night, and it stays below normal temperature-wise on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and beyond. Right here we're looking at the 6 to 10 day forecast from NOAA for the period of April 26th to April 30th. Well below normal temperatures here in the Mid-Atlantic region. In fact, the coldest core of the air mass, according to NOAA forecast, is sitting right on top of the Mid-Atlantic region. Basically, it stays colder than normal for the remainder of the month, beginning on Thursday and right through the rest of April. Not every single day in that period is necessarily going to be below normal, but in the aggregate, that entire period from Thursday through the end of April looks like a colder than normal period for the eastern part of the nation. Well, here's the latest surface map across the nation as depicted by some NOAA forecasters, and really here there's one major feature. I would add in a cold front right in this region right here. This is the secondary cold front that pushes into the I-95 corridor later on Wednesday night. Again, this will be accompanied by some shower activity Wednesday afternoon into the early evening, perhaps a few gusty thunderstorms. Last night's rainfall, showers, and some strong thunderstorms associated with this cold frontal system winding down right now. A couple of showers passed through the southeastern part of Pennsylvania over the last hour or two. Still some lingering showers in and around New York City. We'll take a look at the latest radar. All of this pulls out by the latter part of the morning, and there will be rapid increase in sunshine from southwest to northeast across southeastern Pennsylvania and ultimately into the New York City region later today. Be seasonably mild weather today along with some breezy conditions, but colder than normal weather is headed to the I-95 corridor. Well, here's the latest radar loop. And again, some showers just pushed through southeastern Pennsylvania over the last hour or two. Still another showering, perhaps even a lingering isolated thunderstorm up across northern New Jersey and the New York City region. But clearing skies have set in already across D.C. They'll expand north and east following this band of showers into southeastern Pennsylvania for the midday and afternoon, and into northern New Jersey, New York City for the afternoon hours. Again, breezy conditions, increasing amounts of sunshine, and seasonably mild conditions for this afternoon. Well, in terms of clouds, this is the latest colorized infrared satellite imagery loop from the Penn State EWOL site. You can see here this the higher clouds here showing up here as white. This is, again, an infrared satellite imagery loop. Notice back in here across D.C., basically clear skies right now. Sunshine is in abundance across the D.C. metro region. All of this pushes off to the north and east, increasing amounts of sunshine in southeastern Pennsylvania. Certainly by this afternoon, it'll be mainly sunny across Philadelphia, and increasing amounts of sunshine during the afternoon hours up across New York City after these early morning showers push off to the north and east. Well, let's wrap up with a few forecast maps. This is from last night's Zero-Z GFS model run for tomorrow. We'll look at 6-hour increments from tomorrow morning to tomorrow afternoon to tomorrow evening, and this will be a focus on the cold frontal system that pushes into the area tomorrow afternoon and evening and ultimately changes our pattern to colder than normal for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and beyond. Here's the forecast map for tomorrow morning. By this time, cold frontal system will be in the eastern part of the Ohio Valley. Some shower activity along that frontal system will probably be dry in the morning hours here in the I-95 corridor from D.C. to Baltimore, Philadelphia, and New York City. But by early tomorrow afternoon, showers move in. Let's take a look at the early afternoon forecast map. And here it is for around 2 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. That surface cold front just now reaching the I-95 corridor. Some showers depicted here by the GFS, and there could be some heavier downpours, perhaps even a few gusty thunderstorms as this cold front pushes into the I-95 corridor. Again, the morning should be mainly, if not completely, rain-free in the I-95 corridor. The showers push in for the afternoon and early evening. Let's take a look at the early evening forecast map. And here it is for about 8 p.m. tomorrow night. Cold frontal system off the East Coast by this time. Still some lingering showers into the early evening hours in the I-95 corridor, and colder air starting to push in. We'll see temperatures drop into the upper 30s in many suburban locations by Thursday morning. And notice here, strong high pressure way up here in northern Canada, really sending cold air all the way down into southern Canada and basically having an influence all the way into the northeastern part of the country for the latter part of the week. Again, a colder pattern setting up for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and beyond. For the most part, it looks like a colder than normal weather pattern for Philly, D.C., New York City from Thursday through the end of April. And all of this will be preceded by another strong cold frontal passage Wednesday afternoon and evening that will bring some showers, perhaps some gusty thunderstorms into the Mid-Atlantic region. That's it for now. For EventCoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.